Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have Culver's. We're going to devour this food. But before we tell you what we have, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my outfit of the day. I have a Coca-Cola here. I have a fish sandwich, an Alaskan cod sandwich from Culver's, and I have some onion rings. And what do you have, honey?
I got a crispy chicken sandwich. Well, and then some, what's it called again? Some cheese.
Cheese curds?
Some cheese curds. First time trying it though. And then a cheese sauce right here with it.
Okay.
You know? And then some sweet and sour sauce. And then some honey mustard. You know I love the sauce.
Okay, so we're going to dig in because we are hungry. You can take the box off now. See, it's just for presentation purposes. Thank you very much, sir.
It's dry.
Oh, there's no mayo in there?
And they ain't put no cheese. Okay.
You want me to get mayo?
That's
Ooh,
one.
Some of that cheese sauce.
That's one con.
You want mayo?
You gonna get up and get mayo again? Like you did yesterday?
It's alright.
Get up and get mayo then.
What's your? Hey guys, I'm back. I went ahead and I got some mayo for the hubby sandwich. Did you put it on? Oh, you put it on. So I have a lot of
Chick-fil-A mayo with
Chick-fil-A.
put my mayo on.
Do not pay attention.
Alright then. Cool.
They don't see that. It's mayo. I don't know. Culver's didn't give him any mayo.
No.
You gotta have
cheese. That's a bad start already, Culver's.
Yeah, you gotta have cheese and stuff like that. Okay, so
Start now?
yeah.
Okay.
You can yam no man.
How long you have me sitting out here then?
Whatever. Okay, so I have honey mustard, like my husband said, and then I also have sweet and sour sauce.
Right, the cheese ball thing.
Tell me how it tastes. Cheese balls.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cheese on top of cheese.
Yeah, cheese balls.
Cheese curls.
Cheese.
It's good.
It's good.
Just cheese on top of cheese.
Yeah, they just fried the cheese. It's good. It's good.
I'm here today.
I love onion rings.
No, actually, it does taste good.
It's good.
Well,
It's like a sweet.
let me try my chicken sandwich.
It's their first time buying a chicken sandwich from them. He usually gets burgers.
I'm a burger person.
It's good.
The other place better watch out. I ain't calling no names.
The other place that makes chicken sandwich.
Wrong, whatever.
You ever tried Popeye's chicken sandwich?
No. I tried though. Let me try it. Yeah. And it look nice also.
Onion rings is good, man. So I dip it. Look at all that sauce.
Okay, Culvers, you made it back up. You know what I'm saying? You didn't give me my cheese, but it's alright.
It's supposed to come with it, right?
Yeah, I think so. But it's alright though. I substitute. Good man.
What's this called? Mukbang Friday?
Yeah. Fast Food Friday mukbang.
Fast Food Friday Mukbang.
On Fridays, we don't cook.
The chef is off.
We're off today. I took a day off. So every Friday, we have Fast Food Friday. Everybody have their own thing, you know. The kids them get their own stuff what they want. I mean, the first day they get what we want. So we decided to try Culver today. Well, I tried the chicken sandwich. That's good. You know, we live in Florida. So I know where the rest of y'all family live, but I want a piece of chicken here.
A chicken that?
Yeah, man, chicken, man, I'm gonna get it.
Oh, they gave you a piece of chicken?
So I don't know what part of the world the rest of y'all from, but if y'all do have Culvers, go check it out. What do you think?
Definitely.
And make sure you tell them you want your cheese or your chicken sandwich.
For real. I could have brought a piece of cheese from the kitchen and put it on there. But it wouldn't be
Sit your butt down right here and do your video.
But it wouldn't be like melted on there. But honey, you'd be surprised how much people don't like cheese on their chicken sandwich. Or
they don't know what they're missing. Or mayonnaise.
Or mayonnaise. Because if you're eating a chicken sandwich with no mayonnaise, even ketchup or barbecue sauce or something, it's gonna be dry.
Dry like that. That's what I'm saying. You want more of these things? Okay. More for me. How's the sandwich?
It's good.
That's good.
One thing about Culver's that we like is they make the food right there as you order it. So it's not like it's sitting there like some restaurants, some fast food place, and then it's a hit or miss. You don't know if it's gonna be fresh.
Or ready to go.
You don't know nothing.
Yeah.
So when you go there, expect to wait like at least maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes for your stuff.
They move. Yeah.
They move fast
They
though,
move pretty
but
fast.
yeah.
These cheese things good enough. Okay, said other things, other new one. Cheese curls.
Cheese curls. No, you love balsa.
Watch about the first lady.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No be to a thing. It's good though.
We got a large onion rings.
Still cranky.
Honey.
Yo. Get some meat in us.
What's the inside joke, guys? That's why.
Yeah, y'all don't know the inside joke. Yeah. Not bad though.
It's good. You want to pour this out for you?
Yeah, you put it out. The cheese is gonna make it more popping, you know?
Yeah. You're acting up. It's recording.
I eat up everything already?
Yeah, you move fast. Not even know what you're eating.
No way. Listen. Wow.
I told you you're large, but it's your first time trying it, so
Yeah, I ain't never
you're
gonna like it,
gonna like it.
it tastes good though. No!
Would you order it again?
It's cheese in there or chicken? What that look like to y'all?
I don't know.
It look like chicken, right?
Oh no, it's cheese.
Cheese?
Like mozzarella?
Mozzarella cheese, okay. I don't know, but it tastes good. It was banging. Banging, yo.
Would you order it again?
I do it again. Next time I go there, you know what I'm trying? The shrimp basket.
They had that?
Yeah, they had the shrimp. They had a shrimp basket here.
Oh.
I used to substitute with some French fries or
Onion rings or cheese curds. That's not bad. I didn't notice that.
But yeah, family, if y'all have this around where you're at, do check it out. You know what I'm saying? Decent. I mean,
It's good. It's my favorite. It's a fish sandwich. Did they put tartar sauce on here? I don't think so. Inside joke.
Inside joke, guys.
A pretty said them know that one.
Inside joke. She knows some of mine, I know some of her mind.
It might not have happened, huh?
All right.
Ah, yeah.
This is the first thing we eat from all morning. Wow.
Good morning.
That's crazy. Yep. So what's been up with y'all? Huh? How your quarantining?
I heard that's almost over.
Really? And people still wearing masks?
I know. Everywhere we go, people still wearing masks, and they said that they're gonna be open back up.
That ain't
Open the
over
country
yet.
back up.
Just a little while ago, how much people had a mask away?
Almost everybody. Be careful out there, guys.
Even the place where you order the food from have a mask on it.
Don't let them trick you, yeah?
Wear your mask.
They probably want them to spend that stimulus check at restaurants and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Pay your bills.
Pay your
Like
bills.
that me, I said.
Safety first. Wow.
It's really good.
This is real good. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. You know what's funny though, First Lady?
No.
Could I eat that next sandwich, you know? Sorry, it's small. I didn't give me a mini.
So when you get a burger, you get a big burger. Or a double stack.
It's all good.
Oops.
You ready no way?
Can't afford that right now.
Can't afford it. I love sauce. Who loves sauce on everything they eat? Comment down. There's no sauce, the food ain't good.
It's like dry. Sauce of dry bread and chicken. Oh, I am that.
I'm trying them, right? You know that still at moment, you know.
I know you will.
You know what time I said I don't want pickles in the thing? I eat it.
You still eat it. You tell them,
I'm different from you. Because you don't like something, you ain't gonna eat it. But me, if I buy it, me I yam it. First they do it. First they, you know, sometimes when we go out to eat, afraid sometimes, you know. Because if you don't like something, you know, they're gonna have to change it.
Yo.
I be there sitting like this. Please don't say nothing. Please don't say nothing.
Whatever.
And she be like, "Is your food good?" I said, "Yeah." But her, she be scaring me. Woo.
Because you pay for your service. I mean, I'm not mean about it. I'm a very nice person.
Very nice person. But if you don't like it,
I just say, listen, I didn't like that. But normally, if we tend to like to try other food, we do that. We try different foods. Okay. But he's the scapegoat. I let him buy something and try it, and then I taste some of his food.
Why you made me try? Cause why? Cause you think I'm greedy?
No, because I don't want to buy 2 meals and I don't like it, and it's just a waste. So if you buy one, because I know that, I know you're greedy.
You see? It's your family.
Excuse me.
See?
And if he doesn't like it, one thing about him, if he doesn't like it, he'll still eat it, but he just won't go back. Talk the truth, man. You talk the truth.
Talk the things, them.
Listen.
Got the business.
He will still eat it, but he just won't go back. Me, I'll be like, So I'll let him buy a food, whatever he wants, and then he eats it, and then I'll taste it. And if I say, oh, this is good, then I will go buy something for myself.
True. But one thing we do, we do support,
other businesses.
We do support other business, you know.
Because we ourselves is a small business.
So we do support people.
So we support other small businesses.
Yeah.
You know. Oh.
You earn them there, you can yum up that, you know.
You're full enough.
You're full. You yum that. Nah, yum them work.
Honey. Why every time we eating food, our thing always empty? Yo.
Look at your stomach. My stomach is still there, no?
You can yum, you know?
No, me can't yum the food, good food. Can't yum.
And plus, we didn't eat anything all day today. I'm gonna eat this.
This is a snack for now. So what time it is now?
For who? Snack for who? I'm full. This is my meal for the day.
2:18.
No, sir.
By what? By next hour?
2 hours.
I'm on it again.
Mm-hmm.
Brush up something different, you know.
I'm full.
But you know, we had to come show you this video. You know, family.
It tastes good with the sauce.
Tastes good with sauce. You even try whoop sauce? This is the cheese.
Yeah, it tastes good with it. Oh.
It's one in the same place. Why people say, oh, why you don't do it when you eat food? You can't do this and that. Don't eat hot food and then drink.
Yeah, that's a.
Where does it go? My belly. All right, first lady. Those last two is yours.
You can't manage it. You can't manage it.
Can't manage that. Yeah, manage it today. Them onion rings was delicious.
But I take one and you take one.
I'm sure that biggest one.
This one?
On the fat. Take the fat one.
You like fat stuff.
Like fat stuff. What would you say?
These people are gonna be like, do they ever leave any food?
No, what? What I asked you yesterday, mukbang is what? To eat, right? So what are we doing?
Eating.
All right.
But we look more like greedy.
It is what it is. But what? It's gone though, right?
It's gone.
Okay.
No waste of food here.
No waste. Worse when you have somebody like me next to you.
I know. Hello. By myself? I can't manage this.
I can't manage it.
Wow.
Thanks for the invite again.
You're welcome.
You know what, man? Frankie said, food, I'm there! You didn't know we laughing at. Almost, is that?
Almost. Never happened.
Never happened.
My
it was
God.
never happened.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
That was good. You full? Bus stop
full.
run. No bus now, it's quarantine time.
Quarantine time.
Yeah, bus stop run.
Guys, we ate all the food.
Wow. That was good. Delicious.
I guess we have to end the video because we don't have no more food.
No, we can make something quick and just put it back on the plate and
No. Guys, thank you so much.
Oh gosh.
Thank you so much for joining us today. And I appreciate you watching the video. And like I always say, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch me. You have a great day and a great weekend, guys. It's Friday.
Same thing next week, you know? Same place, same time. Just a different video.
Different food, right?
Like, share, comment.
And subscribe.
Bye.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.